Hello everyone, this is TechViewer and myself Akib. Today I'm gonna show you how to restore iOS and how to downgrade iOS without data lossing. And this is the very easy method. And first of all, you need IPS file and you also need iTunes and a Apple device. And first of all, you need to download IPS file from ipsw.me, and I also given link in description. And if you go to the link, then page will come like this, and select your device. I have iPad, so I'm selecting iPad, and my device is iPad mini 2. So after selecting your device, you will see all available version. So I'm going to download latest version. So after download IPS file, then open iTunes and connect to your device. Then you will see your device is available here, and as you can see, I'm using beta version of my iPad mini 2, and I'm going to downgrade beta to stable version, I mean official version. So, and backup your device for safety purpose. And if you have any problem with during the downgrading time, then you will able to recover your file by this backup. So backup it now. So now after the backup, you will see check for update and restore iPad. So if you are use Mac, then press option, then click on check for update. Or if you are in Windows PC, then click control, press control, then click check for update. And now select your downloaded IPSW file, which I downloaded previously, as you see that. So selecting my IPSW file, and then click update, and it will ask you for a permission. Then you must click on continue. Then you just wait and see, and all things will do iTunes, and nothing have to worry about it, and it will automatically reboot, install all of the files and all of the things. So guys, that's all about this video. And if you think this video is help you, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And guys, see you the next video. Peace.